Every year, over 1 million electric vehicles begin their journey here. This is the story of how it's made. Before a single electric vehicle reaches the road, it begins its journey here. As dawn breaks, thousands of people arrive alongside intelligent machines, working together with remarkable precision. Inside these walls, automation and human expertise operate together in perfect harmony. Every vehicle begins with raw materials, delivered with extraordinary precision. Before steel can become the body of a VEV absolute precision, every millimeter is carefully measured. Thousands of tons of controlled force shape ordinary steel into the foundation of an electric vehicle. Quality is never assumed. Every surface, every curve, every measurement must meet exact standards. Hundreds of robotic systems work together with astonishing accuracy. Each weld strengthens the structure that will protect future passengers. Piece by piece, strength takes shape. Perfect precision. The foundation is now complete. Every measurement verified, every connection inspected. At the heart of every electric vehicle lies its most important component: thousands of battery cells working together to store and deliver energy. Each individual cell must be positioned with extraordinary accuracy. Together, they become the building blocks of the battery system. This battery pack is more than stored energy. It is the foundation of performance, efficiency, and driving range. Unlike traditional engines, electric motors deliver power with remarkable efficiency. After rigorous testing, each drive unit is carefully approved. Soon it will join the vehicle, bringing silent power to every journey. Hidden beneath every panel lies a complex nervous system. Thousands of electrical connections allow every component to communicate with perfect precision. Technology alone does not create comfort. Every interior is carefully assembled. At the center of every Tesla is a remarkably simple design. Advanced technology, presented with effortless clarity. Every journey should begin with comfort. Precision engineering and thoughtful design come together here. Piece by piece, what began as raw steel now stands, ready for its final finish. Paint is more than appearance. It protects, preserves, and defines every vehicle's unmistakable identity. Time, temperature, and precision work together, transforming liquid paint into a durable finish. Every reflection tells a story. Even the smallest imperfection can never be overlooked. Excellence is measured in details. Artificial intelligence examines every vehicle with extraordinary consistency. Millions of measurements completed within seconds. For the very first time, the vehicle stands on its own wheels, a milestone in its remarkable journey toward the open road. Hardware alone cannot create intelligence. Millions of lines of software now give the vehicle. Thousands of individual components now function as one. Engineering, craftsmanship, and technology working together. Before leaving the factory, every system must prove itself. Nothing is left to chance. From scorching sunlight to relentless storms, every vehicle must be prepared. Before reaching the open road, every vehicle must first demonstrate its performance inside the factory itself. Before driving independently, the vehicle must first learn to observe. Cameras, sensors, engines, every detail matters. The final finish reflects thousands of hours of engineering. Each completed vehicle represents countless hours of innovation. Together, they are ready to begin new journeys around the world. The manufacturing journey is almost complete. Now, every destination is carefully planned. The final chapter at the factory. An entirely new journey begins. From this single factory, thousands of vehicles begin journeys that will span continents, connecting innovation with people around the world. The future is not built in a single moment. It is created one innovation, one vehicle, and one idea at a time. Every innovation begins with an idea. Tomorrow begins today.